Ladies and gentlemen, the market is up very big, okay? It's no surprise. Bitcoin's up 80%, and people are asking all over YouTube, all over Twitter, all over Telegram, right, in crypto-related chats, should we be buying altcoins right now? Is there going to be an altcoin season that will blow the minds of the cryptocurrency market and give massive returns? I'm talking 10x, 100x, 500x returns on altcoins. Is now the time to buy? The answer is a big, fat no. But there is a little bit of nuance involved, and my answer for high cap and medium cap altcoins is slightly different from my answer for small cap altcoins and micro cap altcoins. Let's get into the video. Guys, is now the time to buy altcoins? Is the altcoin season on the brink of occurring? Why am I asking this question now? I'm asking this question because we have Bitcoin right now surging to the upside, seeing a 79% gain with no correction whatsoever. No short-term correction, no medium-term correction, zero correction whatsoever. The upwards trend has been sustained the entire time. And we know, all right, this chart here tells us what the crypto money flow is. Crypto money flow is basically this. This is how money flows in the cryptocurrency market. This is how the asset class moves. Cryptocurrency as a whole, it moves. First and foremost, the money goes from fiat into stablecoins. It goes from stablecoins into Bitcoin. That begins phase one. Bitcoin pumps massively. That is what we're seeing right now. Phase one, Bitcoin pumping massively. The money then flows into Ethereum. We haven't seen that pump yet, but that will occur. The money then flows into large cap altcoins and then into smaller cap altcoins, triggering an altcoin season. That is what people are speculating will occur now. The reason they're speculating that will occur is because the money has flowed into Bitcoin. They're expecting the money flow cycle to continue as usual, eventually ending up in an altcoin season. And so their estimation, and this is the estimation of the vast majority of analysts at the moment, I call them charlatans, but people call them analysts, right? They say that basically, due to the fact that Bitcoin has pumped massively, altcoins have to pump eventually, or soon, I should say, and therefore right now is the best time to buy altcoins. We have seen this reflected in Google Trends. Google Trends is seeing altcoins in the search results come up higher and higher and higher, more and more and more, right? From the start of October. And if you think about when October was, well, October was basically back here when we broke above 32K, when we broke above this range. So as soon as Bitcoin entered a massive rally, people were already looking into altcoins, already thinking about buying altcoins because they were waiting for that money flow cycle to occur, and they were waiting for the eventual altcoin season that was going to come after the Bitcoin move. And now we've seen Google Trends again see another spike upwards. We're seeing Google Trends say that, you know, altcoins are very much highly searched term at the moment. People are very interested in altcoins. If you look at Twitter, you look at YouTube, you can see very clearly people are massively interested in buying altcoins right now. People are claiming super cycle, claiming bull market, claiming altcoin season. Let's cut the crap, all right? Here's the reality, okay? Because I'm kind of sick of seeing clowns, to be honest with you. Fake analysts, fake traders, misleading their entire audiences out of either ignorance or stupidity or just simply lack of knowledge in the market. You know, charlatans mislead their audience on what's actually happening here, or at least what's happening according to the historical data. This is not going to lead to an altcoin season if what you mean by an altcoin season is a explosive rally across the altcoin market. The reason it will not lead to an altcoin season is because we have cyclical trends in play. What are the cyclical trends? The cyclical trends are during the bear market on Bitcoin, which is on a cyclical level, what we're seeing right now, okay? I'm macro bullish on Bitcoin, I certainly am, but on a cyclical level where we have the 4-year cycle, 3 years bear market, 1 year bull market, this is technically a bear market. During the bear market, Bitcoin dominance rises. It's risen in 2019. It flatlined over here. It started dropping down during the bull market. It dropped in the bull market over here, dropped in the bull market over here. It rises right now ever since the bottom in 2022. Fact of the matter is, Bitcoin dominance rises during this period of the market cycle because people flock into Bitcoin for safety in an uncertain market. Altcoins do not perform well at this time of the market cycle. I'm not just saying words, I can back it up. If we look at what Bitcoin has done, Bitcoin has seen, since the November lows, a 184% gain. Ethereum, the leader of the altcoin market since the November lows, has only seen a 114% gain, okay? So 70% less than Bitcoin. Total cryptocurrency market cap chart, right? Total 2 cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin has only seen a gain of 67%. And Total 3, which is the entire market cap of Bitcoin, the entire market cap of cryptocurrency, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, so the altcoin market cap chart, has only seen a gain of a pathetic, 54%. The altcoin, I'll repeat that because it's very important you understand this. The altcoin market cap chart, the chart that measures the entire valuation of the altcoin market, has seen only a 54% gain since the November lows. 54%. Bitcoin, okay, the largest asset in the entire, largest coin in the entire cryptocurrency market, has seen a gain of 186%. It has outperformed the altcoin market by close to 4x over the last year. Okay, if you're going to sit here and tell me that this is the time to buy altcoins, knowing the time in the cycle we are in, knowing what Bitcoin dominance is doing, knowing, okay, what altcoins have done in relation to Bitcoin over the last year, you are either ignorant or a liar. That is the simple reality. Or, well, I suppose there is a third option. You're ignorant, okay, which means you're uneducated, you don't know what you're talking about. You're a liar, which means you're trying to get views, you're trying to get clicks by telling your audiences something that is not true historically. Or 3, you're expecting something to happen that has never happened before, which is completely counterlogical to the rules of investing and trading. The rules of investing and trading being the trend is your friend until it ends. So which one of the 3 is your favorite YouTuber? Are they a liar? Are they ignorant? Or are they expecting something that's never happened before, which is against the principles of trading, against the principles of investing, and fundamentally intellectually dishonest from that regard? Okay, so which one are they, right? That's the vast majority of YouTubers right now. All of these clowns claiming altcoin season, doorstep of altcoin season. I'll tell you what I think, right? We very well could see a mini, I suppose altcoin season is the wrong word, because when I think of altcoin season, people generally think of an exponential market in which we're just seeing absolute hype and ballistic gains on altcoins, right? No, I don't think we'll see that. We could see a small period of time, like we saw, for example, between June and between August, those 2 month period there, where altcoins outperform Bitcoin on a small scale, and we see altcoins pop off here and there. That's completely reasonable. And if anything, that's actually likely, seeing the reality of what Bitcoin's done. I'm not saying we're not going to see altcoins outperform Bitcoin for a short period of time. I think that's actually likely, not even possible. It's likely. But the idea that we're going to see a altcoin season in a traditional sense, like what we saw in 2021, like what we saw in 2018, where everything just goes 10x, 100x, is just completely ignorant of the market conditions we're seeing right now. And it's ridiculous. So just using this time to debunk those claims, those super cycle claims, there's no evidence of a super cycle on Bitcoin at the moment. Those bull market claims, there's no evidence of a bull market on Bitcoin at the moment. That happens after the halving. Altcoin season claims, there's no evidence for that whatsoever. Just debunking all of that. But I want to get down to the fundamental question. Does this mean that you can't make money on altcoins right now? No, of course it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. We see in the top 100 altcoin market cap right now, coins up 20%, 18%. You know, there's not actually many, but if you go to the 7-day chart, for example, 175%, 70%, 60, 30, 20. You know, you see gains across the board here, especially if you're looking at lower cap coins. And this is a point I made a couple of weeks ago. In my personal buying plan, before I actually move on, I just want to tell you this. In my personal buying plan, I'm not interested in altcoin allocations until after the halving, okay? I've made that very clear in my buying plan, which you can find in the pinned video of my YouTube channel, which is very much based on the actual data, no lies involved. My portfolio is 100% Bitcoin at this point in time. It will be until the halving, for the most part, right? Because in that, okay, it's quite nuanced, right? I'm trying my best to explain it here. My portfolio until the halving is 100% Bitcoin on a long-term basis. That portfolio, though, only acts as validation, acts as data, I suppose, or only is within the realm, I should say, of Bitcoin, Ethereum, large caps and medium caps. Small cap altcoins, small market capitalization altcoins with, say, less than 75 million market cap, less than 100 million market cap, are actually not included in that, because I don't believe there's any way we can possibly measure how well small cap altcoins perform in the market, because they don't have any tangible effect on the data. So it's very difficult to sit here and say that, oh yeah, it's not worth buying moonshots right now. It's not worth buying small cap altcoins right now because the data says they shouldn't do anything. Well, they don't really represent a massive part of the markets. They don't really represent the data at all, really. It's only the medium cap and large cap that have an effect on this chart, not the small cap. So I'm actually not at all opposed at this point in the market cycle to buying moonshot altcoins, you know, less than, say, 75 million, 100 million market cap altcoins. In fact, I've got 22 altcoins right now, right? I've got 22 altcoins with, when I bought them at least, had less than 100 million market cap, because I don't believe that my cyclical portfolio strategy, which is 100% Bitcoin long-term bag, can possibly have any reasonable conclusion on whether it's okay to buy low caps or not due to the fact that they don't have any tangible effect on the data and the charts in terms of, total cryptocurrency market cap charts, for example. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you can't buy altcoins right now. First of all, it's not my opinion that, it's not my decision on what you personally do in the market. But me personally, what I'm doing is I'm 100% in Bitcoin. I'm 0% in high cap altcoins, medium cap altcoins. But I also have a considerable bag of moonshot and small cap altcoins because they're gambles. They're casino coins. They're gambles. I'll throw my money in them. Cool, it's high risk, high reward. I don't see the same way, buying a 100 million market cap coin, 10 million market cap coin as buying a blue chip altcoin that's in the top 50 of the market cap list, because we know what those coins do at this point in the market cycle. We know they are underperforming Bitcoin. We just know that to be the case based on the historical data. We can't say the same thing about the low cap. So to conclude the video, right, I want to conclude the video by saying the whole idea that we're going to see an altcoin season right now, I'm not going to say it's impossible because nothing's impossible, but it certainly would be absolutely shocking because it's not what the historical data suggests at all. I do thoroughly believe that even if it occurs, even if the unlikely event of an actual bull market and altcoin season occur right now, this instant, I believe that me making this video is the best possible move I could have made with the data involved. And I believe that everyone who advocated for it was a liar, a charlatan, ignorant, whatever it may be, because that's just not what the data suggests at all. So no, there's not going to be an altcoin season right now in the traditional sense. There might be a miniature period of time where altcoins outperform Bitcoin, but overall, no, there's not going to be an altcoin season right now. Overall, based on the historical data, it is my opinion that this is not the best time to be buying high cap and medium cap altcoins, or Ethereum even, not really at all, right? But there is an exception to be made there. Perhaps low cap and moonshot altcoins can be made of an exception. I personally have made an exception for them. That's up to you guys to decide there, because there's no real, as I said, tangible data to make any real proper observations in that regard. And everything I do is based on data. So I can't really rule them out in the same way I can't really rule them in. So I'm understanding it's just a bit of a gamble, and I'm willing to take that gamble at this point in time. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. It's actually a very useful video in my opinion. It's debunking a lot of the lies going around the market right now. I think they are lies. I generally think they're lies. I think people are being dishonest for clicks and views, and I really want to expose that right now. So I want to try and help you guys out by giving you the actual data. But thanks for watching. Speaking of altcoin buying, speaking of Bitcoin buying, if you want an exchange to do buying on, you can do it on the Bingx or Bitget exchange. They have futures trading, they have spot trading, of course, copy trading, everything you need, really. They've never been hacked. They've got a protection fund in case they are hacked, where you can get reimbursed in your funds if there is a hack, which seems unlikely, but you obviously can't rule it out with any exchange. They've also got very low trading fees, and you get even lower trading fees if you sign up with my referral link, which you can find in the links below, for a 15% trading fee discount. We've got the VIP group on Telegram. The information and results group for the actual larger VIP group is on the screen right now. This gives you the payment information, the PDF of all the historical trading results, and the free trial. Go ahead and get on VIP, trade altcoins with me on Telegram. It gives you entry signals, stop loss requirements, take profit requirements, everything you need to trade altcoins. Have been very profitable in there historically with an 80% win rate. Exceptional stuff. Get on there if you're interested. And then finally, if you want to learn how to trade for yourself, so you can chart up coins for yourself and trade them for yourself, okay, you could check out Become a Trader 10-unit course by the Crypto Academy. And the Crypto Academy is a partnership with myself and Megawell Crypto. We made this course, and we're distributing it. We're doing everything ourselves here. Megawell's a big YouTuber, and we work quite closely together to make this course. So if you're interested in that, you've got two expert opinions putting together a course to teach people how to trade from two professional traders. You can't really get much better than that. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.